Tell you what, if I was a landscape photographer, I'd spend a full week here. Hello everyone, and welcome to Jordan, a place that I have been planning a trip to for a very long time. We flew in from Egypt directly to Amman, and we have drove all the way down through some absolutely lovely suburbs that you're about to see some B-roll of. And now we're in the Wadi Rum. We're going to start at the Wadi Rum, take some photos and move up back to Amman, and then we fly out from there. It's going to be a good trip. We've got a ton of different stops planned and the scenes are amazing. I feel like I've already got some good pictures just from the drive down, taken from the car window and stops along the way. But here, it's going to be a little different. I'm planning to capture more of the landscape because who wouldn't while you're here, but also with a bit of a human element, maybe some camels walking past or a 4x4 just going through the desert and just capturing the vastness of it all. From there we're going to Petra, one of the 7 wonders of the world, and a tourist hotspot with tons of different things going on and tons of people as well, which we can again place the human element within the photos. For now though, we're going to chill, enjoy just how peaceful everything is, and then go on a stargazing tour tonight, I think, and try and capture some stars and the desert at night. And then from there, in the morning, 4-hour jeep tour at sunrise, capture the sunrise in the Wadi Rum. What could be better than that? I can't wait for this. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I'll see you in a bit. It's not often I get to take photos just on a balcony here and not really have any problems with it. The occasional Land Cruiser or Camel will go past and it'll look really nice. I'm checking different apps on my phone to tell where the sun is. It's currently way up there. It's going to set at about 6:30, just in the U-shape of these mountains here, at about 6:30. So, in theory, a lovely orange sunset framed within the U of these rock faces should be quite an interesting shot. We'll have to see, but I've got a good feeling. So it's about to be that time. It's been an absolutely peaceful and beautiful morning, but it's now absolutely pitch black outside. The stars are out. Let's go stargazing. Hopefully get some long exposure shots as well. Who knows? It's not something I usually take photos of. What is though, is that building behind me. And when people step out front and all these lights around me are lighting up the rest of the pathway. Looks like quite a nice scene. Took a photo of that. We'll see how that looks. So let me show you just exactly what I'm dealing with here. There it is, in the sand, framed up, ready to go. 30-second exposure, and off it goes. Good morning, again from the Wadi Rum. We have come back from the Stargazing tour last night, got a couple hours sleep, and now ready to go out again, hence the same clothes, hat and everything, because we're going to go see some sunrise and hopefully capture some nice scenes as well. Should be a 6-hour ride on the back of a Jeep like we was yesterday. It'd be good. I'm looking forward to it. That last night was an absolutely incredible experience. And yeah, easily for landscape photographers especially, a must do on anyone's bucket list. But now, let's go capture some sunrises. So we're out in it, the vastness of the desert, and it's amazing to look at, really. We went on top of a rock up there, me and a couple of Spanish people from the camp, and captured the sunrise as it was coming up over there. It looks absolutely stunning. There's the rock with all people on it. We got there before it was busy, and now there's a bunch of people on it. But yeah, absolutely incredible. And that's just the start. We saw sunrise. We've got 4 to 6 hours of this, and I'm hoping we can capture some camels in like valleys and stuff like that, because there's wild camels out here as well as wolves, scorpions, vipers. Yeah, a lot of different animals to be found. And who knows, the silhouette of a camel might be interesting to capture. climbing some rocks as well, trying to get some viewpoints, and it's just so vast. It's lovely up here, and the wind's picking up. I don't know whether you can hear it on the microphone, but when the wind kicks up, all the sand blows with it. It's quite precarious when you're climbing up on rocks that have like tiny footholes that have been made by the Bedouins who do this quite often. I'll show you down there. That's what I'm looking out onto. Those people down there are the Spanish couple that are also on this tour with me. There's a little Bedouin gift shop there as well. But the view is just stunning. Absolutely breathtaking. And I don't know whether you can see on camera either, but the sand kicking up in the distance. In fact, it's coming our way as well. Uh-oh. I'm sitting on a ledge. Here it comes. So the further south we get, the more yellow the sand gets and stuff like that. And more crazy the rock formations get. Have a look at this one, for example. You've got a big walkway up the top. And to get up, there is just some steps in this rock here. Foot there, foot there, foot there, foot there, all the way up. And as you can see, it's an incredible view from up there. That's a picture in of itself, actually, the couple going across. So from my time in the Middle East, I didn't actually take a proper photo of some camels yet. We just saw some wild ones. And now there's a few just all waiting around this camp that we've stopped at. So it might be time to get some photos of some camels with these views in the background. Now there's a dog eating something as well, and right in the middle of a group of camels. So I've gone wide try and frame the dog between the camels. I want him to look up though, but he's too busy eating something. So I suppose we'll wait till he's finished. Oh no, he's going to town on it now. Fair play. You do you, dog. And that is it. That is our part of the Wadi Rum trip done. There has been plenty of pictures to make a full video. So rather than doing all of Jordan in one trip, we're going to split this up and do section by section in different parts. There's also going to be some exclusive images on the platform WeAre8. There'll be a link in the description if you do want to have a look and just set up an account. It's free. It's a new social media platform and really, really good actually. So on that note, I'll see you next week for Petra, which should be really fun. Hey! Tell them to like and subscribe, dog, quick.